Hi guys, it's a new video about the TikTok application, and right now I will show you how to use stickers when you TikTok video creation. Let's open the TikTok application, guys. Right now we are on the profile page, but let's create a new TikTok after tapping on this plus icon. I will create some default video as an example. Let's tap on the check mark, guys, and to get access to the stickers pack, we need to tap on the sticker option at the right bottom of the screen. And here, guys, we have a lot of different stickers we can get. Every time TikTok refresh this list and add new stickers which are very interesting and funny. Here we can also go to the emoji section, but this is just the default emoji. Let's go to the sticker section, guys, and here we have the default usual stickers like on Instagram story, but I will talk about them also. This option is to add some image from your gallery as the added image over your created TikTok. You can also upload it to remove the background, but I don't want to do it. I just want to add this image as the as the photo in the corner, for example. Let's click on the same sticker pack, and here we have the mention. So guys, you can not only mention someone in the description of the video, you can mention it directly on your TikTok, for example this way. And when some followers or your viewer will tap on this key, they will go to the account of the selected person. Hashtag, in the same way we can add some hashtag, for example the capybara. And guys, after we will go to the poll. This is the usual question, for example, how is it going? And your followers can poll here like nice, for example, or bad. The default, absolutely default poll. Pay your attention that you cannot change the style and font of the poll. It's just only the white text in this way. But it's the default settings. I said that the Instagram has very similar. And guys, after, the most interesting option for me is to support some organization. So guys, this feature is very cool because in this way you can offer to donate to the selected organization to your viewers. For example, you can select this American Heart Association. Let's click on it, and right now we have this customized image sticker. After clicking on this donate key, your viewers can learn more about this association and can donate to this organization. So it's very important because the TikTok is not only application for fun, but you can talk about the very needful and important things. You can, for example, create a TikTok about some of the organization and offer other people to donate. And guys, after, you can also check some location, not check to but find. For example, I will select some okay, for example for you, okay. Can be after other, it's not can be the real location, but you can set any words you prefer, for example funny day or amazing school, etc. And you will have this location like a hashtag, And after, guys, you can get a lot of different new stickers like this one. For example, if you will have here the face, you can increase it and make some emoji or filter with it. I think that it's really very nice. Don't forget that you can also manage these stickers in the way you prefer. And guys, I hope that this tutorial was definitely useful and interesting. Don't forget to like it below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to find even more cool guides about the TikTok and other programs. Bye guys, good luck!